Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. We are together again with another video that might provide an airdrop when the project is ready. Today we will learn how to deposit and withdraw on Deepwaters testnet using our Goerli, AVAX, Mumbai and BNB networks. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications and follow our other social media accounts to keep up with upcoming events. Now, let's get started. You can test this portal with any of these wallets, but today I will show you how to do it on Metamask. If you don't have a Metamask wallet yet, you can watch our Metamask tutorials. And since we will use the testnets, you can watch our Zcasing tutorials to learn how to add testnets and request faucet tokens to your Metamask wallet. If you have watched our previous testnet videos, you're familiar with the faucet tokens, but for those who started for the first time, faucet tokens are used in testnets to pay the gas fees. For example, if you're going to use the Goerli testnet, then you need faucet tokens for Ethereum. And I will show you how to do it. You can also find the links below for the faucet websites and our Zcasing tutorial to learn how to add testnets to your Metamask wallet. Since I said Goerli, let's start with how to request faucet tokens for the Goerli network. You must register with an email address on this website because we will use it for Goerli and Mumbai networks. Copy your Metamask wallet address and paste it into this box. Click on the request button and it will send the faucet tokens to your wallet. The same goes for the BNB and Avalanche networks. Copy your wallet address, paste it into these boxes and click on the request buttons. Now that we have completed requesting faucet tokens for the gas fees, we can continue requesting faucet tokens to use the Deepwaters testnet. Here click on the connect wallet button to connect your wallet and then click on the faucet button to use every single token in this testnet. Remember that you must do it for all networks and you also need a Twitter account to claim these tokens. After collecting these tokens, we must deposit them back into Deepwaters platform to use them on the spot market. Here click on the deposit button and apply the same action for every token in every network. And we are done with requesting process. Now we can use these tokens to start our testing. Click on the market button and select any of these tokens to start trading. Remember to use the limit order for buy and sell orders to participate in this testnet. Also withdraw some of your coins from Deepwaters to your Metamask wallet. This way you will complete testing everything. And last, complete this survey to provide your opinion about this project. Don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe to our channels to keep up with upcoming events. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.